Hi there, I'm Carla Ann, the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about your electronic park brake. In some of the older cars, we used to have a long handbrake with a little tiny knob on the end, and we would yank it up to make sure that the car would stay in park. Nowadays, we don't need to do that, but we do have to remember that a handbrake is a handbrake, so when it goes up, then you know that it's engaged, and when it goes down is when you disengage it. But let's take a look at what an electronic park brake looks like. Right there, you see it right here. There's a little tiny button with a park brake symbol on it. Now to turn it on, it's quite simple. You just pull up on the button. The light will be turned on, which will tell you that now it is set and the parking brake is engaged. But it doesn't matter how often you push it down, doesn't matter what else you do to it, it's not going to disengage until you do the safety feature action, which is putting your foot on the brake and then pushing down. Then you'll see the light comes off and the parking brake is disengaged.